Good morning from Berlin and welcome to the travel vlog. We went here with a train overnight. It worked out well. I even slept a little bit and now I'm waiting for our next train, which will depart in about 2 hours. I'll show you my luggage. This time it was a real challenge to pack minimally at all, and I'm gonna link you the video up here where I packed and kind of show you what I'm taking. And yeah, let's see how it continues. Just here to get all the stuff we need to cook dinner. This is not our tent, this is our friend's tent. But we stored the stuff in there. But I thought when I'm already here almost all by myself, I give you a little update. So we're at the European Juggling Convention, which is kind of a festival for circus arts interested people. It's a week long and this year it's here in Poland. And so you can guess there are a lot of people, and now the sun is gone. And I just, I don't like vlogging in public. Last night it actually rained and I was really afraid that our tent is not gonna be keep dry, but it worked out well, so I'm happy about that. So the EJC is over and we're back on the train towards our Airbnb. And I have to say, during the last week the weather was really mild summer weather. It was not too hot, it didn't rain too much, so that's great. But now it's super hot today and the train we were just on did not have an AC, so we're hot. We're waiting for our next train and I just want to say I am done with people. It was amazing this week. It was amazing to see all these people again. My hair. I had such a great time, but now I'm really looking forward to have some time without many people, just my family, doing nothing, having running water and a shower and a washing machine again. So I think it was a great idea to kind of book an Airbnb right after the festival, so we can do laundry and things like that, and then we'll do somewhere else again. So I hope everything will work out, because the Airbnb host is kind of weird and I don't really know how we will get into our Airbnb, because his answers don't make sense to me, but it will work out. Like it has so far every single time, so it will. We made it, we arrived at our Airbnb and it's beautiful here. Like the Airbnb is so cute and here's like, it goes into the forest directly. And this is a bit of like a weird thing here. I think there are 2 Airbnbs, but there's also like a guest house and like a main house, but no one's here. And I was searching for the host because we had some problems with the electricity and one of the houses were open and yeah, just interesting. We fixed some of our like problems and some of our questions. We're still wondering where the washing machine is because they said there was a washing machine, but I can't find one, like nowhere here. I really want to take a shower, but we have to wait until there's like hot water. We arrived. I'm really looking forward to spending a few days here. It's raining right now. There was a minor like thunderstorm an hour ago, but it's like so quiet, so much nature, like it's not off the grid obviously, but it's like far away. Like there's just some very, very small villages here. And yeah, I think that's exactly what I needed after a festival of 9 days. I'll show you a little bit how it looks here. So my view first. This is our cute little house. And I'm gonna give you a better view of the whole thing. Let's go down the stairs here. There are some bicycles, and if the translation was correct, we can't just use them. But now you can see the whole house. Isn't that cute? I think it's supposed to be, or it is an old house, but I somehow put it on these poles or something. So it seems that there is no washing machine, even though the Airbnb description said there was one, which means I'm doing the laundry with my washing bag, like I have done it for the past 9 days, or it's like 3 times or something. But I just realized that I also want to wash the t-shirt I'm actually wearing right now. So I am gonna undress and put that in here as well, because that needs to be washed as well. The bra I'm wearing too. Yeah, I'm gonna stop recording now and wash this stuff and get something else to wear while doing it. And I thought I'd give you a little small tutorial of how to use this wash bag. It's like similar to a dry bag, you know, it's just waterproof, and then you squeeze out all of the air and then you just rub your clothes against like the little knobs that are inside the wash bag, and then practically you are a human washing machine. And I do have to say it does work pretty well, at least for, you know, traveling purposes. And then we always hang our clothes on our string, and actually we kind of put the string through so the wind doesn't blow them down. So I took a shower. And now I think we're gonna go for a walk. And I just realized I can take off my badge from the European Juggling Convention now. I usually get them, like fix them in a way that I can just manage to squeeze my hand through it. So it was super hot before, I said, at the train station. But actually after the thunderstorm and a little bit of rain, it cooled down quite a bit. And so now I'm wearing like a sweater and a long pair of pants. And I think we're gonna now going to explore the forest around here because this cabin kind of is in the forest. At least it looks beautiful. I don't know if there are any paths or anything, but I think we're just gonna go and see what we can see for a little evening walk. It was such beautiful lighting, and then there was the rainbow because it started raining, but now it kind of rains too much, so we're here under this roof construction thing, kind of waiting to see if there's going to be a sunset or if it's just going to rain and be completely overcast, and I think it more so looks like there won't be a sunset. Yeah, it rains way too much. We're going back home after like not so much a walk, but more so like kind of stepping outside and deciding to go back home. But we saw a rainbow and we saw some kind of sunset, so it's fine. It's a new day and it's actually my birthday today, and we do need to go grocery shopping. We always kind of take a little bit of groceries with us, especially if we don't want to buy groceries on the day we arrive. So now we're looking for the grocery store. Hopefully we'll find it. Hopefully it will have some things we want to eat. So let's go. So we did it, we just went grocery shopping in this building, and it's just a tiny part of the building. So the supermarket was really small and no one spoke anything else than Polish, at least from what we could tell, but you know, it's our mistake, we're in Poland. But we managed, and we even found some alcohol-free beer, and it's the same kind that we also found at the European Juggling Convention last week, and it was delicious, so we bought some new flavors. And now it was really cold and windy, but I need to get off my sweater before we carry our groceries back for like half an hour or a bit longer. And these need to go in here. So we came back to the Airbnb, unpacked groceries, and did a bit of like reading. I posted on Instagram and like posted our new podcast, Reel and TikTok. That's something we do every single week. And if you haven't listened to the podcast, I recommend you check it out. But now we've seen that some people have found mushrooms around here. So we will go for a walk and see if we can find some mushrooms as well. So far we did not find any mushrooms, but we found a lot of beautiful paths to take a walk on, and I found a t-shirt, and I decided to take it to the Airbnb and wash it and see if I want to wear it. this is how it looks now. It's wet. It's now, I think, bigger than I thought. Like, it got bigger while I washed it, or I don't know, it shrunk while it was laying in the forest. I'm gonna dry it now, and I already saw like it has a small hole on the back. We'll see. If I don't want it, I might just, you know, recycle it, but I thought like I don't want to leave it in the forest. So it's already afternoon, like something in the middle of the afternoon. But today I woke up with a little bit of a cold, I think, which is a bummer. Because obviously we met like several thousand people last week at the European Juggling Convention. But I really thought this year I managed to not catch anything. It seems I was wrong. But so today we slept in, had breakfast, went for a walk, and I showered. And that's kind of what we did. But I also want to share with you the t-shirt I found yesterday. I kind of want to start a project of like just wearing stuff that I found in the forest. Things like that, like trash. Let's see. So it's obviously like bigger than what I would buy as a size for myself. But I think like oversized stuff is trending again. Is considered stylish again. Now I don't really see how it looks. Let's go to the mirror in the bathroom. Maybe that's better. You can see more. I don't know. What do you think? I mean, I think it really looks good up here. So let me know what you think about the t-shirt. I think I'm gonna like keep it for now, take it home with me. But this is where I'll end this vlog. And then I'll make a second one from like this accommodation and at the ocean. So subscribe if you're not already to not miss that. And thank you so much for watching. I am gonna link you a video here that I hope you will check out, and I hope to see you there or in my next video. Thank you for all of your support watching the video until the end, or also supporting me on Patreon, or here with super thanks. Thank you so much. See you then. Goodbye.